Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. If you haven't seen me before, guys, my name is Alana and I do nature walks, and I like to take you guys along with me to see what I see, really. So what I do is I go around the UK and I find nature places where I can just go for a nice walk and vlog while I'm doing it. And like I said, I like to share it with you guys to see what I see. So as you can see at the minute, I'm surrounded by trees, forest trees, fields. I'm in a place in Walsall. It's kind of a hidden forest. I'm not actually sure whereabouts it really is, but it's beautiful so far from what I've seen. So yeah, we're actually starting to venture now more into the woods. So yeah, let's go along. I'll get as much footage as I can, and yeah, let's see what this forest has in store for us all. Okay guys, so I've continued to walk, and I've just came up against this beautiful lake, and it seems to have some swans on as well. So yeah, let me flip the camera around so you can see this. It's absolutely gorgeous. Here you go guys, look at this. Beautiful. Absolutely stunning. It's a huge lake. As you can see, look at that view behind me. Absolutely gorgeous. And if you just look over to the right side, look at this side. If I can actually walk down this little bit here. Here you go, look at this. It's absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, as you can see, some beautiful sights here. But yeah, the wind's definitely starting to pick up as well. So yeah, I'm just going to keep venturing because this bit is more open, as you can see with the lake and stuff. But the further you sort of walk in, you can sort of see it gets further and further more into like deep forestry, which is what I'm looking for really, because you never know what you're going to come up against and what you're going to see. So yes, let's carry on with our adventures and let's grab some footage for you guys. Okay guys, so I've just saw a little entrance that I think takes you sort of into the woodland part. So it looks absolutely stunning actually. So yeah, let the adventure begin. As you can see, the way the trees, they sort of just come over you. It's just absolutely beautiful. Mind you, something out of sort of like a movie scene. It's just really pretty. And just to the right of me, you can just see there, we've got some fields, some farming field over there. Look at these trees here. And the roots on this tree. Just gorgeous. Hey guys, so I've managed to get loads of footage here today. As you can see, I'm literally surrounded just by trees. I am completely in the middle of the woodland. I've gone right deep into the woodland. And yeah, I found some amazing things here actually. I found a pond, we saw swans, found some like hidden sort of places, bridges with water in and stuff like that. And it's just a beautiful place to be. It's a nice little walk if you want to come just to be outdoors in the woods really. It's absolutely amazing. And I'm really glad that I managed to come over here. I'm really tired now though. I have to admit I've walked so far into the woods, and now yeah, I'm on my way back out of the woods now. So yeah, I think I'm going to call that a day on the video today. And I think the next week I will be going up to the Malvern Hills and getting some footage there and climbing up to the top. And yeah guys, I hope you're enjoying the videos. I try not to talk so much in between the videos because it is a nature channel, and I like you to get the sounds of the nature and the water and stuff like that I come across. So yeah, I hope you're enjoying it guys. And remember, if you come across my channel, remember to like and subscribe for more, to see more of me. There's going to be a lot more adventures